My name's Rachael Ray, and this is my house. On August 9th, my house burned. 15 years of memories, 40 years of notebooks, drawings, thoughts, my life's work. In the years that I lived here, I learned an awful lot. In the few weeks since it burned, I think I've learned even more. Today, we're going to share what's left of our home with you. So on August 9th, I thought that our summer vacation was going to begin because John was going to go play golf for the first time with other human beings. And I thought they were going to have this perfect day. So I was going to make a big pasta dinner for John because that makes him the happiest. And he comes in and he's very grumpy. The golf game did not go too well. So I thought, well, while he's upstairs changing, I'll start a fire. You'll see the pasta water going. The sauce is bubbling. This will make a nice evening. So John comes downstairs a bit later, and this man comes running through the backyard. He jumped off an ATV, and he's in our backyard screaming, and he's like, "Your roof is on fire, your roof is on fire, your roof is on fire. Hey, you guys, hey, you guys." So we run into the backyard, and we look up, and yeah, the roof's on fire. So I ran upstairs. The gentleman in our backyard said that he had called for the fire department, of course, and first responders. John also called on our house phone. I ran upstairs to get medicine, my notebooks, my mother's high school ring, you know, things that when your house is burning down, you don't want to leave. But when I ran to the top of the stairs, I could hear the fire in the wall. I could hear electricity. I could hear danger. Because I am a part of the Dennis Leary Firefighter Foundation and the first female member of their board, I've been in enough fake controlled fires to know to be very scared of sounds and fire itself, you know. So I immediately turned to run out, and there was a Hadley Luzerne firefighter standing literally next to me. "Get out, get out!" I'm like, I'm trying. They're yelling at each other. And I said, "Go, go." And we ran down the stairs, and we got, John was coming up the stairs as we were going down the stairs. And I said, you can't go in there. You can hear the fire in the walls.
It's a whole house of stuff. You don't know what to grab. The first thing that popped into my mind was take your laptop and take a phone charger. And that's all I thought of. And then I heard, those are the two things I thought of. And then I was gonna get more stuff, but like her, I heard crackling on the other side of the wall. Nah, no, we're gonna leave now.
We're good. We left our house, we came down the hill, me and my flip-flops, but that's all we left with, basically, was our dog, the clothes on our back, flip-flops, and John's shoes.
We literally were just watching our house burn and burn and burn, and it wouldn't stop. And, you know, you're just thinking, oh God, what's gonna be left?